Reward systems is what's ruining our kids today. This is Matthew Bartolo, and this is Unfiltered Therapy, the space where I share my thoughts and lessons learned from the thousands of hours I've spent with different individuals, parents, and adults in therapy and in coaching. The idea of instilling intrinsic motivation in our kids is extremely important. When we are rewarding our children for things that they are doing naturally, that they should be doing naturally, like rewarding a kid for sleeping, rewarding a kid for cleaning their own room, or for eating, is given a very deluded idea of what the world is all about. Some research is suggesting that these kind of rewards are what are raising an entitled child, an entitled adult in the future. Let us focus and help our children focus on the reward hormone, on the intrinsic reward, feeling good about doing something right, something good, rather than doing it because you're being rewarded for it. If you live in a house, it is your responsibility to help in the house chores. You should not get paid to help in the house chores. You should not get rewards for eating your meal and finishing off what's on your plate. When we are doing this, we are raising kids into adults that feel entitled to get rewarded for doing simple, basic things. And this is what can cause people to feel depressed, anxious, because then they have a deluded view of the world. So let us stop with our kids, look at the clean room, and say, how are you feeling about it? Look what you've accomplished. How do you feel now that you've eaten the food, that you've accomplished this action? This way we teach our kids to have a more intrinsic reward system rather than always looking for validation from outside. Thank you.